Hello and welcome to this video on how to make your own oil paints. Yeah, this is how I make my own oil paints for my paintings that I'm doing at the moment. So the first thing you need, very important actually, a dust mask. This is a dust mask. You need one of those because you don't want to inhale any dust when you're making it. Majority of the pigments are safe, but some of them do have warnings on them, so be very, very careful. Always wear a dust mask. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Another thing, gloves. Gotta wear some gloves, protect yourself. And maybe you need goggles, a jacket. You know, be a real scientist and really go for it. Get the whole gear. So, I'm using some dry pigment and I'm got a glass panel there, and there's also a glass muller. This is the cold pressed linseed oil, which is what I use. So we've got pigment and oil, and that's it. That's all I need to make a good quality paint. And you'll find artist quality paints are generally made with a pigment and an oil, where student quality range they chuck in a load of fillers and stuff. So it's really good for me to know exactly what's in my paint, especially when it's just oil and pigment, because that's the highest quality you can get, really. So when you're using the muller, you do a figure of 8 and then scrape all the paint off. Then I usually fold it over a couple of times to have a look at it, get the feel of the paint on the knife. And then there we go. You can either put it in a tube or on your palette, ready for painting. So I hope this video is helpful. It's only a short one. But just think of it like this. You're putting a pigment into a vehicle, which is the oil. And you're grinding it up so it works really well together, like a paste, like a buttery sort of paste. And then that's it. You're ready to go. So I hope this video was helpful anyway. If you want to make your own paints, now you know how. And this is how I'm going to be making my paints. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at another video. Bye for now.